Hello viewers, Valgro LBF KARAM series are metal deburring and edge rounding machines for metal sheet parts cut by punching, shearing, laser, or plasma. Removing burrs and creating round edges using an abrasive cross belt. Improved work environment, reduction of dust, dirt, and noise. Deburring and edge rounding of parts up to 50 mm material thickness. Maximum productivity while maintaining machining quality. Save up to 60% operational and labor costs. It comes with an abrasive belt. Metal thickness from 3 to 100 mm. Width is 50 to 800 mm. Application that the machines used in are panel builder, sheet metal fabricator, railways, automobiles, instrumentation, laser cut shop, burr-free surface finish achieved. For more details, contact us on sales@Valgroindialtd.com.